Thanks so much for staying with us. Now, across the Caribbean this evening, we continue to see those isolated thunderstorms develop across the Greater Antilles. We still have that moisture convergence generating the shower and thunderstorm activity also across the Jamaica area, especially across sections of the north. We do have a scattered area of mid to upper level clouds that is also across the that's the southwestern portion of the Jamaica area across the Caribbean. We're expecting that there is some movement within this area of clouds just towards the southeast. It is actually shifting further towards the west, should be moving further towards the west and into the Western Caribbean over the next day or so. So we do have high pressure expected to dominate across most of the Caribbean at the start of this week. Now, the forecast for tonight is for partly cloudy skies. We also have some lingering shower activity across sections of northern parishes. Temperatures 24 degrees Celsius in Kingston. We expect temperatures to drop to 23 degrees Celsius in Montego Bay, and we still have those 10-knot winds on both coasts. In the morning tomorrow, it's partly cloudy with some isolated showers, mainly across sections of the north. Then for the afternoon, look for isolated showers and a few thunderstorms as well, especially across central and western parishes. Temperatures are reaching 31 degrees Celsius in Kingston, 30 degrees Celsius in Montego Bay. Now, expect some isolated showers and possible thunderstorms if you're in Halfway Tree tomorrow. Also, if you're in Spanish Town, Maype and Mandeville. Also for Santa Cruz, Black River, Savannah, Lamar and Negril. That's much of the south. We're expecting isolated thunderstorms also across Montego Bay and Falmouth, mainly in the afternoon. Expect showers if you're in the Golden Spring or Bogwalk areas tomorrow. Expect thunderstorms if you're in the center in Moko, in Christiana and in Grange Hill. Now, the next few days has isolated shower activity expected across central and western parishes on Tuesday and Wednesday, but mainly across northern parishes on Thursday. And that's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. But we thank you so much for watching.